giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Taslim and I live in Boise. My father name is Israfil and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Firstly, a very happy Independence Day everyone.
Happy Independence Day.
The courage and strength of our country's freedom for winner. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना जब तक तुझमें जान है. Independence Day is a history moment for our country. Celebrate its freedom for winner. For winner rule is a horse the freedom for fighters. Its struggle for independence. Independence Day is also celebrate of our countries. There was call it ऐसे. दिल हमारा एक है, एक ही हमारा जान. हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम है इसकी शान. I wind up my talk with a special thanks to all wonderful people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a nice day.